Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the listing agent contact information in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the listing agent's information for a property in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing wholesaling, you know that one strategy is to go after on-market properties, but maybe you can't find the agent's information for some reason. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to get the listing agent's information, let me go ahead and pull up a property. So I'll just type in Clark County, Washington. Okay, here on filters, I'm going to go ahead and go MLS, and I'm going to search on market and save and close. Okay, now you can see all the properties that are on market. Now, to get the listing agent's contact information, go ahead and just click into the property here on the right. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top. If it's on market, it's going to have this button here, MLS listing. Okay, once you do that, off to the right, you're going to see the listing agent's information here, which includes their name, email, office phone, and mobile phone. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the listing agent's contact info in your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.